Why is your hair like that? Because?
Nothing.
Nothing. Why is your hair like that? Look at mommy. Oh, look here, oh. Margaret. Marga. You wanna see yourself? Oh, look at here, oh. Look at the circle. You smile nga. Smile. How old are you?
Three.
Paano yung 3? Like that. When is your birthday? December 2007. What is the name of your daddy? Roel. Your mommy. Your sisters.
Sophia.
Who else?
Kaylee.
Kaylee. Your brother.
Charles.
So, where do you live?
Kamiyan.
Kamyas. I love you. What happened to your hair?
I don't know.
You don't know. Are you gonna take your bath?
I decided going
To give you a bath. Who's gonna give you a bath?
to
Where's your daddy? Look here, oh. Show mommy nga your nice smile. Show mommy your nice smile. Who do you look like?
Daddy.
Daddy. Let's give daddy to the policeman. Why? Why not?
I go cry.
You're going to cry? Who do you love? Who?
Daddy.
Look here. How about me? Do you love me? Marga.
Why?
How about me? Do you love me? Your hair, it's funny. It looks funny. Oh, you say bye-bye na.
Mama.